Our next section that we're going to look at is 1.3. It's on transformations. And as it says here in the notes, there are three ways we can move a figure on a Cartesian plane. The first one is a translation, or otherwise known as a slide. That's when you take this figure, the original figure, and you just slide it somewhere. Okay. The next one is a reflection. And that's where you, among other things other words you could use, you flip it. So you take this original figure and you flip it, aka it's a mirror image of the original. That's why you see this S here, and then the S is still the closest to this line here. I'll go into more detail about that later. And then the last one is a rotation or a turn. It's where you take an original figure, and then around some point, you actually turn it clockwise, or depending, could go counterclockwise as well. Okay. So let's start with translations first. I'm going to go right to this example in the textbook, actually. This is the McGraw-Hill-Ryerson textbook, grade 7, Science Focus. Math Links 7, apologize. So, in this translation, the translation is always given to you in some way to show you how you are to move your figure. So here we have figure A, B, C, D, E, how original. And it says here, we're going to translate this figure 7 units to the left and 3 units down. So that means every point, every one of these are actually called vertexes, where two lines come together. Every one of those is going to move 7 units to the left and 3 units down. Okay? So let's show you how that works. So let's start with B. It really doesn't matter which one you use. So let's start with B, this one right here. So we're going to go 7 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. Here's our new B. Now, we can't call this point B because this point is B. So we actually put a little notch here, and we call it B prime. That is called B prime. Okay. Now let me get rid of some of this. All right, now let's do the other one. Let's go a little quicker here. So we have C. Okay, you trace it on, use your finger, figure it out on your own. I'll give you a second, a head start. So we're going to go 7 units to the left and 3 units down. So let's start C. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then down 1, 2, 3. There we have C. C what? C prime, that's right. A, we're going to go 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is A. A what? That is correct, A prime. E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down 1, 2, and 3. Okay, awesome. That is E prime. And last but not least, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And D prime will be right there. Okay. So, and if you use your master line building skills, you can do something that I call connect the dots. And you have a nice little carbon copy of your original figure. Oops, what did I forget? D prime, that's right, awesome. Okay, that is how a translation works. Anywhere on your Cartesian plane, you move the figure from its original position to some new position based on what the translation is.